stone up.
Oh. Why don't all of them have it?
Some of them have, some of them haven't, because some stones are unstable.
Hmm.
I'll show you where we are. We're at Hereford Crematorium and Cemetery. It's alright, we're at a funeral, but I can't sit still long inside there, and I'll have a coughing fit and I'll be the one that has to leave. So, right, this is just a little short video. I'm out here, got the grandkids. Say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. And so I've got the grandkids whilst they've gone in to the crematorium, and seeing off my son's father-in-law. Yeah, I'm on here today to just jerk everybody's memory about the Van Life Festival at Stratford. Yes, I'm definitely going. I'm hoping that these are coming. So I've made arrangements and everything. The daughter and the two grandkids are coming with me, and yep, really looking forward to it. There's several shows I'm going to this year. I'm not going to do many. Yeah, well, there's only two, I think. It's this Stratford one and the Overlander Adventure show at Newbury with Carl. So definitely doing that one. And as I say, this Stratford one, we will be there. In the media area. Well, I don't know whether it's the Newbers or the media area. I don't know. I just go where I'm put anyway. So yeah. So hopefully we'll see you there. And we're just having I'm having a waddle around. These are having a walk around, just to show them the cemetery in Hereford. And just so you know, just over the back there, that's the rowing club. We're that close. So, right, ladies and gents, I don't know whether to round it off here. If I can find some more footage, I'll put some more footage on. So, see this, when I go, they're going to put me in one of these. Aren't you? No. The daughter's told me that when I do pass on, she's going to get me stuffed. And I said, what on earth for? She says, we sit you in the corner of the living room and you can still babysit on the weekends. Oh, pigeon. What you jump for?
So you get attacked by pigeons a lot?
Yeah, right. That's it, ladies and gents. We'll catch you.
Whose chambers we gathered from the feast. They started with us here.
That's a bloody big chest.
Check it out.
Right.
You might as well.
Was it you
You might as well get
that changed the screen to upside down?
You can't kill a beast. Last thing I remember.
White Swan Hotel. We've got a fair display of flowers out there. Fair dues to them.
Well, I feel really short now.
Look at him! I'm wearing this!
Hello there then.
Little Willie really won't, and you will.